Hello there, here with the third and final part of my glowy based product series. Did someone say summer? Because it's time to talk about a bronze glow. Sun-kissed, summery skin is achievable all year round with these formulas, and being sun safe is more important than anything else. You've prepped your skin with glowy moisturiser or primer or sunscreen in part 1, always sunscreen please. Then you've added a skin perfecting filter or illuminating makeup base on top in part 2, but maybe you want to warm up your whole face with a bronzing tint instead, or wear one underneath your makeup or on the high points of the face in place of bronzer. Whatever the season, these will bring you a summery feeling and a glow. Of course, that's been the key word for 3 weeks straight. When I think of bronzed skin, a healthy glow, wow, your skin looks amazing, dream compliment, I think of Pt.3 Brightening CC Serum in number 4, Sunny Flash. If you've seen any of my annual favourites videos, you'll be very familiar with this bottle. It was there 3 years running at one point. I still adore it. A buildable bronze and glow hybrid that warms up the face. Some people go all in with a few pumps, but on my fair skin, I find half a pump mixed into my base makeup gives my skin an instant boost, but still looks very natural with the same subtle blurring quality we talked about last time. I have a summer trip coming up, and in really hot weather, I think it'll just be a lot of SPF and Sunny Flash alone most days. I spoke about Victoria Beckham's Cell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturiser in episode 1. It's my favourite glowy moisturiser on the market at the moment, but it also has a golden sibling. Same luxurious but lightweight Augustina Sparta formulation with a sunlit bronze look this time. It's quite a warm gold, so a little goes a long way on my skin tone. Might just be because my face is such a pale starting point, but I noticed the fine gold pearls in this one, a little more than the original, so you could even mix a dash of it into your skin tint or foundation, like I do with Sunny Flash, to dilute the glow and reduce the intensity a bit while still adding that amazing, best my skin's ever looked radiance to the face. Now, I haven't tried the original Glow Recipe Dew Drops, let me know if you have, but when their Watermelon Glow Hue Drops, nice name variation there, launched a couple of months ago, I was intrigued. Looks intimidatingly bronze out of the pump, but this Sun Glow serum sheers out beautifully. I was pleasantly surprised that it could be sheer enough for my skin while being buildable for deeper skin tones too. This sheer tint with gold and bronze pearls instantly makes you look post-holiday healthy and has the same multi-use approach. Wear it alone, under your makeup, mixed into your makeup, or pinpoint it as a bronzer/highlighter. It's even safe to use a tiny dab on your eyelids for a glossy look there too. More bronzing drops. Tan Luxe Super Gloss Illuminating Bronzing Drops look gorgeously golden bronze in the bottle. Another glow serum to deliver instant sunny skin and an instant glossy glow too. Again, you can wear this all over the face, but I like concentrating it as a bronzer on my cheekbones and hairline to add sheer, subtle shape to the face. I'm torn between decanting a bit of this or the Glow Recipe to take away with me this summer to add a bit along my collarbones as well. Let me know which one you'd choose. A quick note, not to rely on the SPF in this, because unless you're applying a 1/4 teaspoon, which is a lot of bronze all over the face, you're not properly protected. It's always the issue with SPF in makeup, so apply a separate sunscreen first. Dialing things down with Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum in Juice Boost, a skincare-infused radiant primer to hydrate and prep your skin and give you a wonderful glow in an even more sheer way. This is the warm copper/bronze shade. It also comes in a champagne gold as a lighter luminizer. If you're looking for an understated, all-over bronzing base, this serum oil hybrid sheers out so beautifully, and I love the watermelon scent. It's very sweet, similar to Glow Recipe. Ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid are a bonus when a product feels this light on the skin, almost weightless compared to its serum oil hybrid sister, Glossier Future Dew from last episode. Love the dewy, sneakily bronzed finish. Chantecaille's Radiance Gel Bronzer has radiance as a key characteristic, so it crosses over into this world of universal glowy bronzing tints that warm up the high points of the face, can be mixed into makeup and give you a glow whatever your skin tone, though the bronzing effect will be more or less pronounced depending on your complexion. Anyone remember me wearing this one as my summery bronzer back in 2019? If you've been here for that long, very grateful. This lightweight fluid has subtle light reflecting radiance, so if you are applying it with bronzer placement on the cheekbone or along your hairline, you won't look like you've gone crazy with highlighter, just adds a lovely touch of sun mixed into other tints too. I take sun protection far too seriously to ever have a real tan, so these are my best friends when I do want to breathe a little sun-kissed life into my skin. What are your favourite glowy bronzing formulas? This category has grown a lot in recent years, so please share your top picks. Speaking of summer skin, I'll be taking a brief posting pause to celebrate a friend's wedding in Greece and enjoy some sunny travels. I will be sharing some snippets on Instagram. Come and say hi at Matilda on video. Then I'll be back with plenty of beauty tales to tell, like trying new Lisa Eldridge launches in London and what I picked up in Paris pharmacies and summer wedding guest makeup inspiration and my attempts at minimal packing. Hope you all have a lovely summer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.